StonkMarketParty.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Love, back with another guide. This time, we're diving into the world of crypto. Specifically, how to buy official Trump, aka Trump. Get ready for a wild ride because we're about to unlock the secrets of the blockchain. Buckle up. First things first, we gotta find a trustworthy exchange. Head to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. In the markets section, type in Trump and voila. You'll see a list of exchanges. If you prefer centralized exchanges, pick one from the list. But if you're feeling adventurous, let's explore decentralized exchanges, DEX. DEX is like trading crypto in a treehouse built on the blockchain. Ready to become a crypto trading ninja? Let's go! Step 1 on our DEX extravaganza is to download Trust Wallet. It's like the Beyoncé of crypto wallets. Fierce, fabulous, and secure. Download it from your app store or their website and let's get this crypto party started. Alright, you downloaded Trust Wallet? Amazing! Now, let's get you set up with your seed phrase. Your seed phrase is like your crypto VIP backstage pass. Write it down and hide it somewhere safe. Guard this phrase with your life because if you lose it, you lose access to your wallet. Once you've got your seed phrase locked down, take note of your wallet address. You'll need this address later. Now that you've got your Trust Wallet ready, we need to fill it up with some crypto fuel. For that, we're going to use Binance. Log into your Binance account and let's buy some Solana, or SOL for short. It's the lifeblood of the Solana blockchain and what we'll use to snag some Trump. If you're new to Binance, check out our guide on how to register and buy your first crypto. We're basically like that friend who brings snacks to the party, always prepared. Okay, you've got your SOL on Binance. Now let's transfer it to your Trust Wallet. Head over to your Binance wallet, find your SOL, and click on Withdraw. Make sure the network is set to Solana. Paste in your Trust Wallet address. Double, triple check you've got the right address. Sending crypto to the wrong place is like accidentally throwing your phone in the trash. Not a good look. We're about to enter the crypto jungle. We're going to use a DEX called Radium. Connect your Trust Wallet to Radium using your wallet address. It's as simple as ordering a pizza, except instead of pepperoni, we're getting official Trump. This is it, the moment we've all been waiting for. We're finally going to swap our SOL for official Trump. Select SOL as your payment currency. If you don't see official Trump listed, head over to Solana Explorer and search for official Trump. Copy the smart contract address, paste it into Radium, and voila, you're officially a Trump holder. And there you have it. You've officially added official Trump to your digital wallet. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto adventures. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep on hodling.